हेलो, वेलकम टू द एलिवेटर ऑडिटर्स पॉडकास्ट। मैं आशा करता हूँ आप सभी स्वस्थ और सुरक्षित हो गए। फॉर दोज हु डू नॉट नो हु वी आर वन ऑफ द फर्स्ट एंड मोस्ट रेपुटेड elevator consultant in India. We are operating from Mumbai since 2004. You can read more about our services, work profile, articles and research paper on elevatorauditor.com and also book your elevator audits through a single WhatsApp by connecting us on the website elevatorauditor.com. In this series of my podcast on elevator safety and customer awareness, here is one more case study for your reference. This case is of Great Eastern Garden, Kanjurmarg, Mumbai. They have 6 elevators in their 2 towers of 23 stories. The building is nearly 15 years old and the users were very unhappy with the frequent problems they were facing with the elevators. They were so fed up with the elevators that they decided to replace them with new ones. The estimate they got were around 2.5 crores for all the 6 elevators. They appointed us as their consultant and wanted to have the best possible solution. We audited the complete installation and checked all operations, studied the breakdown records, interacted with the service provider. We zeroed down for the regions and concluded to replace the old controller with VVF drive along with wiring and buttons, wire ropes, door lockings, gear setting, traction pulley and some mechanical resetting. The estimated cost of modification was 1.25 crores, which was just 50% of the new elevator cost. In addition, the comprehensive service contract rates for all the elevators were freezed for next 10 years after the completion of the modification work. So the society has a clear picture of satisfactory working of elevator and its financial requirement for the next 10 years. We presented the comparison of going for partial modification against the new elevators. It was a memorable presentation and discussion with hundreds of members, particularly with most of them having engineering backgrounds. Finally, with exhaustive discussions and explanation, our report was accepted and society decided on a partial replacement proposal as per our recommendations. The work was carried out as per our report and was completed in targeted time within the planned budget. Ultimately, it was a great saving for the society without losing anything technically, and that is what the customer wanted. That is why we suggest that you must get your elevator audited if you feel there is insecurity or any issue with the elevator. You can visit our website www.elevatorauditor.com and get in touch with us for your elevator audits. I believe you will share the video with your friends and families across the housing societies who are on a stage of having elevator crisis and help people to save money and life by getting the elevator audited. Thank you for your time. I shall see you in the next podcast.